Namaste and welcome to Sumit Vastu channel. Today we're going to discuss something that many people unintentionally overlook while designing or renovating their homes, and that is the placement of toilet seats as per Vastu Shastra. Vastu is not just about where your temple should be or which direction your entrance should face. It governs the flow of energy in your home, and even the placement of your toilets has a massive impact on your health, wealth, relationships, and mental peace. So, in this video, we'll be covering the placement of toilet seats in all 16 directions of your home. Yes, you heard that right. 16. Not just the basic north, south, east, and west, but also their subdivisions. And more importantly, I'll be telling you what kind of negative effects each direction can cause when toilets are placed there. Let's begin by understanding what Vastu recommends as the most suitable zones for toilets. There are two zones that are considered ideal. First is west-northwest. This direction naturally supports disposal of bad thoughts and depression, which makes it excellent for bathrooms and toilets. Second ideal direction for placing toilet seat is south of southwest. While not the most talked about, this zone is the ideal for toilet seats. South-southwest is direction of disposal and waste management. So, if you're planning a new house or renovating, try to place your toilet in either of these zones. Now let's take a deep dive into all 16 directions one by one and understand how placing a toilet in each of these zones can affect your life. First direction is north, also known as Uttara Disha. This direction represents career growth, opportunity, and financial flow. As per Hindu sculptures, north direction is place of Kubair, the god of wealth and money. Placing a toilet here can block income, delay promotions, and cause professional instability. You may feel stuck in life without knowing why. The next direction is north-northeast. This zone governs health, immunity, and solutions. This direction is ideal for putting medicines and office desk for working family member. It enables him to create solutions, to generate wealth and opportunities. A toilet here can cause confusion, indecisiveness, and lack of focus, especially affecting students and professionals who need mental sharpness. In worst case, toilet here can also lead to cancer or other severe diseases in a family member's health. Northeast. This direction is one of the most sacred zones in Vastu. It is linked to spiritual energy, intuition, and clarity. This location is ideal for meditation or puja room. A toilet in this zone can lead to anxiety, constant stress, and serious health issues like cancer or brain disease. It's a strict no-no. Next zone is east-northeast. This direction dictates recreation, creativity, and joy. If there's a toilet here, it can block creativity and fun, thus cause lack of freshness in life. Occupants may feel depressed. The next direction is east. In Sanskrit, it is called Purva Disha. The east direction governs social visibility, connectivity in society, and reputation. A toilet here may lead to image issues, misunderstandings, and struggles in building a good public image, and also tamper relations with your friends. If occupants are in profession of marketing, then toilet here can severely impact their job or business growth. We will now discuss east-southeast. This area is linked to analytical abilities and governs churning. Anatomically, this direction also represents liver of your body. A toilet here can cause blockage in thinking and analytical abilities. In some cases, it can also lead to liver health of one or more occupants. This direction is not ideal, but can be manageable with proper remedies. Some Vastu consultants consider this direction as one of the ideal directions for toilet seat, which is not correct. This location must be treated if toilet is here. One of the main zone in Vastu Shastra is southeast, also known as Agni Kon or fire zone. The fire zone is owned by goddess Lakshmi, the deity of wealth, money, and harmony. This direction is tied to energy, money, security, and cash flow. Placing a toilet here disturbs your cash flow and wealth. Toilet can severely impact the business and financial capacity, and it must be treated with Vastu remedies if cannot be removed. Right next to southeast is south-southeast. God Hanuman holds this direction, and thus it represents valor, strength, and confidence. If toilet seat presents here, then this direction can make people feel constantly tired or irritated. You may experience unexplained fatigue or laziness and lack of confidence. Remedial Vastu solutions are often needed. One of the four main directions is south, i.e. Dakshin Disha. South represents relaxation, brand building, and fame. A toilet in this zone can reduce your reputation in market or workplace and cause setbacks in your career, and may also harm your personal image. South-southwest. Here's some good news. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, this is one of the ideal zones for toilets. It handles waste energy and disposals. Thus, placing your toilet here usually doesn't cause Vastu-related problems. Next is southwest, also known as Pitrasthan or ancestral place. This is the zone of skills, family stability, and long-term relationships. A toilet here can create chaos in your family, affect marriage, or bring financial instability by hindering your ability to use your skills. Try to avoid this area or put Vastu remedies immediately. After Pitrasthan, we have west-southwest. This direction relates to knowledge, education, and savings. Toilets here may cause expenses to rise or savings to disappear. Residents often feel like money slips through their hands. Children in family lose interest in studies or not able to retain the knowledge and learnings or tend to forget things just before exams. The next direction governs your assets, gains, and wish fulfillment. West, also known Paschim Disha. But if you've got a toilet here, you might experience delays in projects, lack of results for your hard work, and even low self-esteem. You may also see decline in your assets values. Next to west direction is west-northwest. This zone affects detoxification and depression. This is one of the ideal directions for a toilet as it helps in disposing of your bad thoughts and anxiety. Now, one of the most important direction is northwest. Northwest is responsible for bank loan and support. Support from family, government, friends, etc. can be strengthened by balancing this direction. If you are applying for a loan, you must not disturb this direction. So, if your toilet is here, you will see lack in support as compared to your expectation and may get loan application rejected. Lastly, the 16th direction is north-northwest. This zone dictates sex and attraction. This is an important direction for a newlywed couple or a couple who wants to start a family. Imbalance here, especially a toilet, can cause lack of attraction between a couple or problems in pregnancy. Now that you've got a good understanding of all 16 zones, here are a few important general tips for toilet placement. Keep the toilet door shut at all times. This prevents negative energy from spreading to other parts of the house. Always install a good exhaust fan or window to allow energy to flow out. Use Vastu remedies like Vastu strips to neutralize bad energy. And most importantly, keep the space clean and clutter-free. Energy flows best in a clean environment. Vastu Shastra is all about creating harmony in your living space. Every corner of your home holds energy, and when designed consciously, your home becomes a space of joy, health, and abundance. If your toilet is already built in a non-compliant direction, don't panic. Remedies exist, and at Sumit Vastu, we can help you balance energies in your space. If you want me to create a video just on those Vastu remedies, comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Vastu tips, and share it with someone who might benefit from this. Until next time, stay balanced, stay blessed, and take care. तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट्स में अपने थॉट्स शेयर करें।